All right, let's discuss just for a moment. I'm standing back so that you can see my hands so that we can use this in order to remember what line segments are. So if I have my hands outstretched, consider that to be like an arrow pointing further and back. It continues to go. So with my hands open, that is a line. Consider that again, an arrow on each end, continuing on. Now when I close my hands, that gives us 2 points. So consider this to be a point, and it stops. That is called a line segment. Now the other one that I want you to be aware of, that I want you to remember, is when we have one closed and one open. So that one's continuing, this one's ending. Could go this way too. That, if you remember, is called a ray. Now we're going to talk about angles. Right here you can see we have a couple of angles. Now an angle is the amount of turn between two rays, line segments, or lines that share a point known as a vertex. The vertex, as you can see, are right there. They are the center point where they connect, where the two lines or segments or rays connect. Now, as we look at an angle here, we've got the smaller ones, and we can adjust those depending on the shape. When they are larger, they are going to be known as an obtuse. Once they hit inside where they're less than 90 degrees, we're looking at an acute angle. Now, a right angle, that's when it equals 90 degrees. Think of a wall on the ground. A wall usually goes straight up and down, vertical. And if it's larger, then we're looking at obtuse. If it's smaller, we're looking at acute.